What's up, you guys? So finally I got the Blue Heaven collection, and to be honest with you guys, I was buying it for myself regardless of the price. I was about to buy it and I saw 40% off. So we have one box and one box is yet to arrive, so I'm not going to wait anymore. So I'm going to try everything. So yeah, from this box, let's just quickly unbox this. So I was thinking I will first unbox it and then I will try it, but I don't know how long will the video be. So maybe I will make an unboxing video or something like that. I'm thinking about it. So let's just open it. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, fashion, skincare, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. So yeah, today we are going to just quickly unbox this collection and then I'm going to try everything. So let's just get into it. So I was I saw this Blue Heaven collection when literally no beauty bloggers was talking about it, and it was like new. I'm always doing window shopping. I always do this. I will always do window shopping at Purple. So yeah, I was about to buy it for myself and I saw it and I was like, I will pay a full price. No issues. Then I saw different beauty bloggers reviewing it and I wanted it more, and then I saw 40% off, and yeah, so yeah, we have everything. So I'm going to just quickly unbox everything. So this is the sample. Yeah, so this is Making Your Skin Glow Naturally Good Vibes sample. So of course Purple do this, they will give something for free. So I think this is because of that. To be honest with you guys, this is a dream collection. If you have not buy everything, go grab it. And I saw all the beauty bloggers reviewing it, so that's why I think I have everything. Let's just quickly unbox this, and everything is pretty damn secured. I hope nothing is broken this time. And yeah, yesterday some things happened. So this is all the things that I got, and one box is in transit. So some things were out of stock when I was buying this this collection, and they came back in stock. So yeah, I hope I'm not missing anything, because this is so personal and I was about to buy it regardless of the price point, regardless of anything. This is like glossier kind of makeup. In India, I never thought any brand would do this, and I'm shook. I'm shook. And go grab this, especially if you are someone who is new to makeup. This collection is perfectly catered to people who want that light sheer coverage. That is the trend right now. That is the makeup that internationally everybody is loving, that kind of look. It is not that matte skin, full coverage, that glam kind of look. Now people are moving away and people are interested into skin like makeup. Everything should be light coverage. So yeah, I was so excited, and I'm totally, I was drooling over it, and 40% off. So yeah, I'm so excited, and every packet is same. So I'm not going to tell you about the outer box more, because everything is same component, and I will show you. So this is Strobe and Shape. Let's just see. So this is how this collection is like. So that's the packaging, and now this is the packaging, and everything is in same packaging. So if you are wondering about the packaging, you will get the same packaging, but to be honest, the product matters, not the packaging. So if everything is same packaging, I don't mind it. And it's a beautiful packaging, by the way. It's very good. So yeah, so okay, Strobe and Shape is there, this contour situation. So one side you will get the contour. It's a very light contour. Maybe it will be how many shades darker than my complexion. Okay, I was expecting a very natural kind of bronzer. So yeah, maybe a tad bit dark than me. Ooh. Okay, and I was not expecting a very dark contour. I was expecting this only. And this is the this is the highlighter. Light like butter. So this is the wow, it's so smooth. So this is the highlighter, and this is the bronzer. And if you are very fair to maybe fair medium, only try this. Only try this. Otherwise this will not even show up on you. So I was expecting a very light bronzer, so I'm not surprised. I'm going to quickly I'm not going to show the same packaging. Everything is in same component. So this is Sculpt and Set. Let's just see what is inside this. Honestly, guys, I bought it without even just reading the description. I was really desperate to buy this. And yeah, I just bought it in an instant. Yeah. Okay, so this is the brow gel. Look at it. Wow, it is giving me some international makeup vibe, to be honest. The packaging is, it is very pretty pink, and I bought the shade gray, by the way. And let's just see, I will that's why I don't even have applied eyebrow product. So I have just this lipstick, that's it. Even that I will remove this lipstick also, because because we have everything. And yeah, I just don't know in which packaging what product is. So this says, this is the stain, you guys. So I bought the shade, let me just open it. So yeah, this is the stain. I bought it, and I just bought everything so fast. I don't know which shade I got. Let me just see. So Brick Beauty, this is a very nude shade, so that's why I think I bought it. Okay, and so this is the shade Brick Beauty. Let me just, I am so excited, I will open it. So let's just see Brick Beauty. This is Brick Beauty. It is amazing. It's so pretty. It's a very peachy nude, and look at it. That's the stain. So I was like, let me just buy all, and 40% off, but everything was flying away. Oh my god, everything was getting out of stock, and I was desperate. I bought the shade which was in stock, but it is a very pretty shade, and I know this is a nude shade, Brick Beauty. So yeah, and the next is this. So this is the blush, so this is the blush stick. Amazing. So I read berry something. What was the shade name? Where is the shade? So this is roasted berry. I just saw berry written over it, and I was like, I will like it. So so this is the embossing. It has embossing on it. Wow, it is so pretty. So that's why I bought it. I just read. Wow, it's a very pretty shade, and something. Yeah, it consists of I think skincare also. It's very smooth. It just glides like butter. So yeah, this kind of makeup is trending internationally, and I think Blue Heaven did it. I was not expecting Blue Heaven to do it. I was expecting Insight or Mask to do it, and Blue Heaven did. So it's a very old company, and I think it's a great revamp. And my first lipstick was from Blue Heaven, and it was pathetic. It used to smell like soap. I have not used it. It was, those days are gone now. Blue Heaven is, it's amazing now. So, and yeah, what is this? Oh, this is the skin tint. I was like, I need that. I was so desperate for this one, and finally I saw this, and I was like, I want the lightest shade. I will not take the risk. I will not buy the dark shade. So yeah, I waited so much, and I got this. I think this will be a good match. Wow. And I was like, I will not buy the dark shade. It looks very yellow on me, and no, I don't look cute with dark foundations. I will not do that mistake now. So yeah, it is a very pretty, the shade about the lightest, I will just tell you which shade. The lightest shade. Okay, so what is the name of the shade? I will see. What is the name? Where is the name? Where is the name of the shade name? Oh, shade name is, I think, Natural. I hope. I just saw which was the lightest shade, and this is for fair complexion with yellow undertone. So I think this will be a good match for me. So now I know which foundation will be good for me. I don't do that mistake. So yeah, this is the lip gloss. And what is missing? Yeah, I think the mist and the concealer is missing. So sorry, you guys. And that time that was out of stock. Then I again make a order because I wanted the old collection. I cannot afford to lose this. So yeah, that is in transit. So don't worry. I will maybe do another full face of all this. So this is the gloss, which everybody is going mad about it. It's so cute. It's so cute. Wow. So I bought the mauve shade. Of course the mauve shade was in stock, and there were 5 left. So I was like, I want this. I got it, and this is the mauve tint. I have to get it. So yeah, this collection is so personal to me. I was, regardless, if I was not a beauty blogger, then also I would have bought this. This is the tint. So this is the mauve tint, and this is the gloss. So yeah, I'm so excited. I will definitely, just after this video, I will film the full face first impression without the concealer and mist. What can I do? That at that time it was not in stock. So yeah, so excited to try all of these. I'm so happy that Indian brands are launching makeup like international market. And I was not expecting Blue Heaven to do this. And yeah, and I think a brand which is so close to me is revamped now, and it is a very nostalgic, what to say, feeling. I'm feeling like somebody, someone's success. I wanted them to do something like that of any Indian brand, and Blue Heaven did it. I'm so happy that Blue Heaven did it. say yes. And I wish all of the Indian brands will launch makeup like international market, not that purane zamane ka makeup which nobody wants right now. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'm going to try everything in the next one. So I shall see you in my next one. Bye.